Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get rainbow hair and cheap and easy. So save ourselves money on hair dye. And again, what if you want rainbow hair but you don't want to get like 30 different colors? Because that costs a lot, and why should we pay heaps? We shouldn't. So I've already done some, so this is just like a quick example of how to do it. And yeah, just separate your hair, and then we're gonna get some cheap markers, felt tips, textures, whatever you call them, wherever you are. And I am going to use $4 textures from Kmart. And yeah, get all the colors that you want to dye your hair with. Okay, so get some conditioner. Any conditioner will do. And then put a real, like, a small bit. Like that. Because we're just doing like small bits anyway. And then you're gonna, I'll do the pink. Get the marker, and not the drawing side, and not the drawing side, not the drawing side, but the other side. Just take the lid off and get that thing, this, out. And I also recommend that you should wear gloves, but because I've kind of used all my gloves, yeah. And then you get this, and you get this, and then you squeeze. So, oh jeez, and you get this, and then you squeeze. This is what we have, and we want to mix that with that. So I'm just going to use this. You only need a little bit of conditioner, because if you don't put a little bit in, then it just won't take to your hair. So it just like, less is more. And where's the camera? I recommend using gloves. Don't copy me when it comes to this. And then just and now get another bit of hair that you want to dye, and then get another bit that you sectioned off. And again, I recommend using gloves. Do not copy me unless you want to make a mess and dye your hands. Let it air dry, and don't worry about your hair getting damaged, because it's the conditioner protects it. So I've done this heaps of times and it's never damaged my hair. And yeah, look at the rainbow hair. Yeah, I'll try to skip to like, and now we'll skip to when the next day and I'm like outside and showing you my hair and what it looks like in the true light and not this unnatural light. And yeah, that's how we get rainbow hair for cheap and easy. The way that we like it, cheap and easy.
Rainbow hair, oh so pretty, look at that, that rainbow hair, orange, green, yellow, pink, all the colors so much more cheap and easy, low cost, wow. Rainbow hair, wow so pretty, look at that, that rainbow hair, orange, green, yellow, pink, all the colors so much more cheap and easy, low cost, wow. Rainbow hair, oh so pretty, look at that, that rainbow hair, orange, green.